Friends, there are some tools used in brute force attacks. So let's now tell you which tools are used in brute force attacks. For example, Aircrack NG, David Roll, Hashcat, The Hydra, John the Ripper, L0PTH Crack, NL Brute, Open Crack, Rainbow Table, Off Crack, N-Crack, Suite Droid, Kali Linux, Burp Suite, WFuzz, Medusa, Brutus, GitHub.com, GitLab.com, GoBuster, BruteX, DirSearch, Potato, Predictor. There are many other similar tools used in brute force attacks. All types of brute force attack tools can be tested on all types of accounts and used to launch cyber attacks. We will tell you about all the tools you need to know next. These are the tools for brute force attacks. We'll show you how to use them on your account.